So this rice cooker consumes 450 watts, and this has a maximum handling capacity only 400 watts, so I'm exceeding the capacity of this inverter. So far it is working, and I think the water is boiling now. So what I want to accomplish here is basically to have a power bank that has enough power to maybe cook a pot of rice, make some tea, run some small power tools, which I think it can do up to 300-400 watts, no problem. So now after 15-20 minutes it's down to 10.8 volt, so it'll probably work for another 15 minutes before it drops down to 10 volt. So when it gets to 10 volts, the inverter will sound an alarm and cut out, so I won't be able to utilize the full power of the battery bank here. So this pack here is 20 amps here, about 8 amps, and about 10 amps here, 10 amps here, for a total of close to 70 amp hour. And I have another battery box there that has another 10 amp hour, and I can plug it in here if I need to. So it's very easy to do. I have a negative bus bar here, positive bus bar, and then just everything is fused, plus each one of these has a BMS on it. So everything is protected. Right now it should all be boiling. Yeah, it's boiling pretty nicely. So to cook rice, basically you just need to boil the water and then let the rice sit in there, and after it boils for a few minutes, you just cover the pot and you can remove the flame or set it to low, and then the rice will be cooked. Usually it takes about 25 minutes. This is not a intelligent rice cooker. This is just a plain old-fashioned rice cooker. If I were to use an intelligent rice cooker with a lot of fancy circuitry, I would probably use a pure sine wave inverter. I actually ordered a pure sine wave inverter, 1500 watts, and it's coming from China. So it'll be a while before I can get it, and I hope it will work better than this current one. But so as it is, it seems to be working. The sun out there helps because I am getting some energy from the sun as well while the battery is working. So it's 11.2 volt and about 7 amps coming in. I have a solar bank of over 200 watts outside. So it's still 10.8 volt. Just let me show you quickly the solar panels. So 200 plus watts here outside. 200 watts I say because sometimes you get more, sometimes you get less depending on the angle of the sun. So since we started the video, the voltage dropped to 10.72 and is boiling like crazy. Yeah, so I think I have enough battery power here to cook some rice or make coffee if I needed to. And that's the whole idea of this power shelf. I don't need to have a whole lot of power. I'm not running the whole house with it. But in a pinch, I can use what I have here to cook dinner. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.